Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup at home using an easy method. First, select your favorite fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of chopped vegetables, 4 cups of broth, and your choice of protein. Next, prepare your vegetables by washing and chopping them into small, consistent pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly and tastes delicious. Finally, begin by sautéing your aromatics in a large pot over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Now that your aromatics are fragrant, it's time to build the soup's core flavor. Add your prepared vegetables to the pot and cook them for 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, pour in your 4 cups of broth. Make sure all your ingredients are submerged. This is also the perfect moment to add your favorite herbs and spices, like a half teaspoon of dried oregano or a pinch of black pepper, to infuse the liquid. Once all your ingredients are in, bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot and let it cook. If you're adding pre-cooked protein, like 2 cups of shredded chicken or 1 cup of lentils, now is the time to stir it in. Let the soup simmer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to fully combine and deepen, creating a truly satisfying meal. Your easy homemade soup is almost ready. Before serving, always taste and adjust the seasonings. You might need an extra pinch of salt or a dash of pepper to perfect the flavor profile. For a fresh burst of color and taste, stir in about 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh herbs, such as parsley or chives, right before you serve. Ladle your warm, comforting soup into bowls and enjoy it with some crusty bread for a complete and delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.